In primetime news this evening, family devastated by death of 8-year-old boy found floating in the Kingston Harbor with hands bound. Dance stunt gone terribly wrong. And PMP makes stop in St. Catherine as they continue their road tour. Good evening and welcome once again to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yeah, Janella, well, the styrofoam ban is in full effect, giving way to alternative packaging, which are notably more environmentally friendly. Now, the problem is that most of those alternatives are imported, and suppliers say it's costing quite a bit to bring them into the country. So now those suppliers have demands of their own. I'll have the details in the Financial Week.
All right, thank you, Andrew. We look forward to that. From Andrew, we go to Jordan Fort, who will tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, I can tell you that the sport of table tennis is once again creating quite the racket, as the Jamaica table tennis boss has come out firing in defense of his tenure at the helm of the local governing body. I'll have those details in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's questions. What are your views on the popularity of acrobatic type dances in the dancehall?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.